Hey, what's good, y'all? It's C Will, and this is the Passive Income Network. On this channel, we talk about creating assets that produce passive income. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment and say what's good. On this video, we'll be breaking it down Algorand governance for period number 4. We're going to talk about what governance is. We'll talk about my two favorite platforms for staking or committing for Algorand's governance, and then we'll throw in the third one as well. So that way y'all can be educated, earn rewards, and always remember, leave any questions, comments, concerns below. I'll tap in and get those questions answered so that way we can keep making this passive income. All right. This is a passive income play for sure. All right. So, Algorand governance. Okay. First thing we're going to do is go to the site because that's always a great idea is to check out the official sources. So, that's what we're going to do. All right. So, introducing Algorand governance. Earn rewards for your participation in the decision making. All right. Period 4 sign up window is now open. Y'all got 7 days from the date of this video. Let's just watch this too, because shout out to the Algorand governance, but let's play it. See.
Welcome to Community Governance. The Algorand network is continuing its path to full decentralization with the introduction of community governance. Decentralization is a critical feature of public blockchains. By being fully decentralized, a public blockchain ensures that the network is global, secure, has a high level of trust, is fair and equitable, and is built for all. From October 1st, every Algo holder can become a governor and vote on the future of Algorand. Governors will be able to claim governance rewards for voting. Once you've placed Algo in your wallet, there are 3 simple steps for a new governor beginning October 1st. 1. Commit your Algo for the 90-day voting period. 2. Vote on all measures. 3. Claim your governance rewards at the end of each voting period. From October 1st, the future of Algorand is in your hands.
Yes, sir. Future of Algorand. You know what I'm saying? So that right there was the Algorand Foundation's video talking about governance, right? So what you have to do is commit your algos, right? They could be either in your wallet or I'm going to show you a couple of different platforms. So for those who don't have it, wallet.myalgo, get you a ledger or get you a Pera Wallet, okay? But what this is, it's like you're getting rewarded for voting and participating in their decentralization, participating in their governance, where you get to vote and help the foundation decide where to spend money or different updates on the protocol that will affect us as retail investors, users, and DeFi. So let's go back here and break this down a little bit more. All right, so we check this out here. So we have 4 quarterly governance periods, each per calendar, right? For a year. Each governor must commit to keeping a certain algo balance for each quarterly governance periods. There will be at least 1 voting session in each period. Governors must vote in each voting session, but can choose to use a simplified UI, or which is vote for the foundation. Every measure is to be voted on, and we'll have an informative pack explaining it. And then compliant governors claim rewards for their service at the end of each quarter, right? Reward levels are tied to the algo commitment of a governor. Specific reward pools for each period is decided by governance vote. The participation program has now fully been distributed, and we are completely replaced by increasing governance rewards for participants of the Algorand governance. So becoming a governor is clutch. You easily go here and you sign up, right? And you will connect your wallet. You can do the Para, your outsigner, my algo. The other wallet means your ledger address. From there, you would, you're in governance 4. You will sign up. You can see all the other governors here making their commitments, right? So what this means is that these are other retail investors, other people out here who is committed as well to the protocol, and they want to earn rewards and make their money work for them. Okay. So that's that right there. That's great. Leave a comment below if you dig what I'm saying. And for all the Algo fam that do already know, appreciate y'all. Let's go get to this bag. And so two platforms, right? I told you about the wallet. I just showed you, and now we have what we call protocols. Algofi, one of my favorite. The DeFi hub of Algorand, decentralized exchange, lending market, stablecoin, earn interest, borrow, trade, and more. So as you see, you can learn here. You can leverage your algo. You can borrow stable. You can earn on your USDC. Um, total value lock. This 82 million worth of dollars supplied or algos or money supplied on here, which means it's a pretty safe protocol. Hasn't had any problems so far yet. I've been using it every time. Here are some of the investors here. Look these people up. Okay. Even Coinbase is on there, right? Shout out to them. All right. So what we do is click the app. And as you see, the part that I'm leaning y'all towards is the vault. So go to the vault. As you see here, it's governance period number 4. Currently, this will change. This will change, especially once Coinbase and the exchanges dump their money on and bigger whales. So the API is lower than what it will be right now. Okay, but there's an extra Aeneas boost from the foundation. So shout out to the Algorand Foundation, the foundation behind Algorand, right? So what it is here is we have, you can add, right? Add your algos. Then once you add your algos, you then go into the governance phase. You can commit. And these vaults are important because it helps you keep track a little better of your algos. So some people, they buy some NFTs and they go under their commitment. Therefore, they're forfeiting their rewards and they lose their rewards. You do not want to lose your rewards because it is easy money, right? Easy money. And let me, I didn't even share the right screen. But yeah, so let's see. Go back here. And then I did it again. Okay. Okay, the vault. This is what I was just explaining, y'all. Excuse me. But period 4, here's the vault. You add, right? Add your algos. Boom. Then you govern. You commit, and your committed amount will be here. And then you see vote says incomplete because we have not voted. Then boom, you will claim your rewards, and your rewards will go straight to your vault at the end of the period. If you want to remove at any time, always feel free, but it will cause you to be ineligible for the governance rewards. And again, you can see the rewards up here. It will go down, repeat, it will go down once the whales tap in. You know what I'm saying? All right. So then that's how you do that there. The next phase would be, I would say this platform's a little bit more complicated, right? Folks Finance. This is the newer one, and I use this one as well. I use my Ledger, I use Algofi, and Folks, right? And they all have different abilities. You can borrow and lend on your cryptos, and then Folks Finance has what they call Algo Liquid Governance. And I just had Benedetto, which is the CEO of Folks Finance, on the channel. So y'all gonna watch that video, please do once that drops. Definitely after this one comes out. All right, so the leading capital markets protocol for borrowing and lending built on top of Algorand blockchain with over 9 million locked in, which means it's still growing. It has money there. It's still safe. They definitely are doing their thing. And this one has the Algo Liquid Governance, a unique feature that allows users to participate in the Algorand Foundation's governance and earn yield without renouncing their liquidity, thanks to Algo. So essentially, what you're doing is you're placing your Algorand with Folks Finance, locking it up, say in the smart contract, that then mints you or prints out Algo, which is a swap of 1-to-1 for Algo, Algo for Algorand, right? You can swap on Tiny Man or any one of the dexes. And then you have liquidity and you will earn your governance rewards. It will allow you to do more things in DeFi with your same algos. It's like double spending in a sense, but what you did lock up is safe, secure, and it allows you to use it. So you're not making money out of nowhere. Your stuff is locked up. They're just giving you another play. And if you want to do any trading, I would say don't do nothing crazy, or you can lose your algos and stuff. You don't want to do that. Then you will have less to unlock at the end of the period. But again, it's a great platform. So we're gonna go in. I'm gonna go into the site. Okay. Go into, okay, here we go. All right. So again, welcome to Folks Finance. So again, like I was saying before, this platform is a little bit more, I'll say, difficult to use because you have to really pay attention. But you can do all the total deposits are here, the total borroweds here. You can see all these different metrics, what's available to us to deposit and what to borrow, all these nice percentages. We're going to continue to focus on Algorand governance. So what you have to do is go Algo Liquid Governance. That's Algorand's Liquid Governance. Algo is the token. Big important part is here is that the base APR, annual percentage rate, is how much you earn in a 1 year rate, is 105% right now. Again, it will go down just like I said when I was showing you folks finance. Algofi. But this is where we eat. And the Aeneas Awards has an additional APR from the Aeneas Award. So we're gonna get a good yield this time, y'all. Last time it was about 7%. Before that, about 7 to 8. That is solid, right? So what you do again is you commit your algos by minting. You mint, right? Boom. And then they land on this side, which is the G algo. Then you have your algos there, and then you can go deposit and do other things. But essentially, easy money, y'all. It is definitely easy money to use Algorand's governance, folks finance, liquid governance, Algofi's governance, and make some easy money. I be telling the homies all the time, like, if you own some Algorand, put it to work, fam. Put it to work. So yeah, that's a passive income play and a way for you to actually participate in the blockchain that's your favorite, which is my favorite, Algorand, right? So again, leave any comments, questions below. If you have any dope strategies, please let me know, right? Some people, they're going over there and they're positing on Algofi, borrow against it, then go redeposit on folks, take that, borrow against it, and deposit more and earn a fat yield. After the end of the 3 months, people are paying all their selves back and they earned the arbitrage in the middle usually, right? So be safe out there, y'all. Again, see Will with the Passive Income Network. Appreciate y'all for tapping in. I am Algorand. 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 See the crypto, a digital face. 2021 fiat replace. Had to have it. Bank account by Algorand. Large amounts.